Shabazz, currently we have all the leads going into my Google Drive, and this is how it currently looks in my Google Drive. I currently don't have a folder where all the leads go into, so currently it's just basically it's unorganized at this point. So all the leads, the lead forms, you'll see they're all in here: lead FEX, lead FEX, lead FEX, lead FEX, for example. So I don't have the ability to share this entire Google Drive with you, I don't think, unless there's a way to do it. Now I know I have the ability to share a folder for lead cards, and this is what I was talking about, the template that we currently have. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to share my Google Drive with you. That way you can make edits. Unless I have to organize my Google Drive and have all the lead forms that I currently have, all these, lead FEX, lead FEX, if I should store those into an individual folder and then send you that folder and then make another folder here called leads or lead spreadsheets, and share that spreadsheet with you, and then also share the lead cards with you. So please, you know more about Google Drive than I do. Let me know the best way to share this with you, because if I just share you this folder here, you're not going to have access to the actual leads that are in my drive right now. So currently all the lead forms are just in the main Google Drive. They're not organized into a folder. If I need to organize these into a folder and then send you the folder plus the lead card folder, then I'll do that. So please tell me the best way for me to share this with you. Take care.